Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file, and then when they're using the boundary tool, they're getting the line in the center of the line. They want to be able to cut it out. And just for your information, I took your logo, and so it wouldn't infringe on anybody. I don't think it would, but just in case it's in there. So we'll take the boundary tool, and you can see that it puts the boundary right in the middle of the line. Well, there's two ways to fix that. One, and I don't really think it changes, this circle is a 10 by 10 circle. You know what, I didn't look to see whether it put the boundary in the center of the bottom too. And it does, but that's not a problem. We're gonna grab it all, and if you look, it's 10 inches by 12.9. If you go to the pen tool, and you set right here on the outside of the line, it actually made it like it was smaller, but it's still 10.1296. And then grab your boundary tool, and voila, it put the red line on the outside. That's kind of a weird situation. It's because I don't know exactly what's going on, but there is another way to do this. If you did not want to, because I even looked at it with the logo in there, it didn't really change the logo. It didn't change the look. Well, let me just back up here. There we go. Now we're back to the normal size. So we're going to use the boundary tool and hit a boundary. And then what you could do is measure, and you really want to be kind of like top dead center to measure this. Take your parallel dimension tool and set it on pretty high digits and go right from that edge and try to go straight up to that edge, and you've got 0.083. Take that border and let's nudge it out of the way. Go to Effects and Contour. Contour to the outside, 0.083. Go up to Object and break Contour apart. And then take your outside contour and move it up, turn it red, and then move it over and down, and you are back on the outside. Pretty cool either way. I guess I prefer this way, so I think it really looks the same because it's the same measurement. And a while ago it was like, see, the circle's still 10 by 10. And a while ago when we changed it, I think it was still 10. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.